Why choose Trump International Beach Resort for your next Florida meeting?
It's such a beautiful place to have your meeting.
International Sales Manager Yahaira Torres says it all comes down to flexibility.
We are able to really customize things for each group, specifically for their needs.
Ideal for association meetings of up to 220 attendees, the independently owned and operated Trump International Beach Resort in Sunny Isles offers 22,000 square feet of flexible meeting and function space, bringing the outdoors in with plenty of natural light.
Our meeting spaces have windows. You can also see the ocean view from the meeting spaces, so it really helps them get a feel of we're working, but we're also vacationing at the same time.
The conference center spans 2 floors and features easy-to-access meeting rooms from all guest room elevators, a 5,075 square foot oceanfront ballroom, and 16 fully equipped meeting rooms, many with ocean or bay views through floor-to-ceiling windows. And getting here's a breeze.
So we're conveniently located between both major airports. So we're really close to the Fort Lauderdale Airport, which is 20 minutes away, and we're 30 minutes away from Miami International Airport, which is really good when attendees are trying to book their flights. They are able to shop around.
Clients who keep coming back do so for one main reason.
We do have a lot of repeat guests. They usually come because of our service.
You too can experience that first-class service, and it starts by visiting TrumpMiami.com/meetings.